Yes, you heard it right. Islam is an ethnicity and it's a culture. Culture is an idea of symbol and expression, and religion is a language of idea and expression. Some people say religion is a language. Also, I'm predicating my framework in that regard. Muslim all across the world speaks this common language of Islam, the culture of Islam. Demographically, historically, culturally, if you look around on all across the Muslim world. Muslims are different nationality, ethnicity within their nationality or respected country. You'll see Russian Muslims are culturally different. They speak different language, different sleeve symbol, different metaphor, like Chechen versus Russian or Indian versus Pakistan. For someone who would say it's religion and religion cannot be ethnic, give you the better example of Jews, Ashkenazi Jews, Hasidic Jews, etc. There are enough diversity within the Jewish diaspora, but we still consider them an ethnicity, but based on this imaginary ancestor. There are category of ethno-religious people like Yazidi and Farsi, but Islam is more closer to the Jewish example. There are Jewish atheists who do not believe in God, but they do practice Judaism as a heritage of celebrate the Jewish festival as a cultural thing, cultural festival. But most of the Jews are only European converts. So if they can claim to be ethno-religion, why can't Muslim be ethno-religion? I'll give you another example, like Bosnian and Serbian. What different does it make? What is the difference between the two is religion and culture. Religion is a language, is a culture, is a value. Some would say it's a political thing. Now generally the Islamic hater, while defending their bigoted position, mostly the bigoted people throw this kind of curveball at Muslim that Islam is not a race. So race, I'm not attacking ethnicity, but they were attacking ethnically mostly Arab people. Whenever they criticize Islam, they always target a specific ethnicity or cultural stuff, whether it is a arranged marriage or circumcision. Why they say that it's not a race, it's not a, they're basically, other than they're hiding their bigotry, other than that, apart from weakening the Islam, dividing the Muslim community, what they're trying to say, it's not a generic religion, it's not come naturally in the respected country, depended on the context. So for example, if they criticize Afghanistan and Afghanistan, so they always highlight that they are not attacking ethnicity Afghan people or their genetic, but they are attacking this religion which is not naturally came to Afghanistan, which is not true. There is no major religion in the world that came naturally. That is not all. The major religion came from an imperial force. How peaceful the religion may be. So for example, Buddhists do not pop out of Afghanistan. They came from the warrior king Ashoka, or how Scandinavian accepted Christianity. People, let's yes say that yes, Muslim Islam is a religion, it's an ethnicity, and it's a culture, and you can be a cultural Muslim. You don't have to believe in angels, you don't have to believe in every doctrine of Islam and be proud of your culture, because you can be a cultural Muslim. Yes, Islam is an ethnicity and we all are ethnically racially Muslim.